In this quick video, I'm gonna be walking through how to change your background on Microsoft Teams meeting. So first of all, join a meeting or start a meeting by yourself. And now, all you have to need, turn on your camera or you can turn on your mic. And now, to add a background to your meeting, just click on this more icon and here click on video effects and settings. And now click on video effects. And here you will find bunch of different virtual backgrounds. You can go ahead and pick any of them for your Teams meeting. And currently my Teams camera is turned off, so the background photo is not applied. So if you turn on your camera and select a background, and then your background photo will be applied. You can also select blur background by checking this option, and to remove your background just select none. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.